Hey folks, as you all know, Halloween is kind of empty without some Halloween artwork. To help you with your artwork, I decided to provide you with a few assets packs that you could use with your artwork. Here is the very first pack called Gravestone Pack. This pack is divided into 3 parts. First part contains 20 unique low-poly gravestones. They could be used in low-poly artwork or games. The second part contains 20 unique high-poly detailed gravestones with PBR textures on it. You can use them in realistic artworks and realistic-looking games. The third one is the combo pack of both. No matter what you are making, if you have the combo pack, you have it all. These models are available in various formats including Blender, Maya, Sprush, FBX, OBJ, and STL. All the links are provided in the description for you. I really hope you would find it helpful. Our team is working on other assets packs too, so follow along, and if you have any suggestions, please put them down on the description. Happy Halloween!